If you feel leg pain when walking, if your feet get cold easily, or if your calves tighten at night, this is not just aging. This is poor circulation, one of the leading causes of leg pain and heart strain after 50. And the surprising part, your blood vessels can reopen. Not with pills, not with expensive therapies, but with specific foods that help your arteries relax, widen, and carry blood more easily. Today, you will learn 5 clinically studied foods that support circulation, especially in the legs, and how to use them daily to see real improvement. Before we start, remember this. When circulation improves, everything improves. Walking becomes easier, sleep becomes deeper, memory sharpens, and joint stiffness reduces. Food number 1, beetroot. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates, compounds that help widen your blood vessels and increase oxygen flow to the muscles. Studies show seniors who drink beet juice or eat cooked beetroot experience less leg fatigue and better walking endurance. Food number 2, dark berries, blueberries, blackberries, mulberries. These berries contain anthocyanins, natural pigments that repair the inner lining of blood vessels. When the vessel lining becomes smooth and flexible again, blood flows more freely to the legs, reducing heaviness, swelling, and that tired legs feeling after standing. Daily use. 1 small bowl in the morning or with evening tea. Frozen berries work just as well. Just rinse and eat. If you have diabetes, pair berries with plain yogurt to avoid sugar spikes. Food number 3, walnuts. Walnuts contain L-arginine, which helps your body produce nitric oxide, the compound that relaxes arteries. They also provide healthy fats that support heart rhythm and reduce inflammation in knee and hip joints. Food number 4, garlic. Garlic helps thin the blood naturally, lower blood pressure, and improve blood vessel elasticity. Food number 5, extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil helps reduce inflammation in arteries and joints. It keeps blood smooth and flowing, reducing the risk of plaque buildup, especially important after age 50.
If today's video helped you, please give a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss the next science-backed tip designed to help you live better, longer, and pain-free. We have so much more to share about staying active, aging gracefully, and keeping your body strong. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hopeful, and keep taking care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.